I will not stand here and pretend that this is a normal evening, because it's not. On February 28, my country, the United Arab Emirates, came under attack. An illegal, unprovoked, unjustified, erratic, terrorist attack. Over 2,200 missiles and drones. That is over 60% of everything that has been launched at the Gulf, aimed at our cities, our ports, our infrastructure, and our people. We did not seek this conflict. In fact, we worked very hard to prevent it. But when it came, we were ready. Our defenses held. Our people stood firm, and our country kept running. My president, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, said it plainly. The UAE is no easy prey, and we will emerge stronger than before. And I can tell you that is exactly what is going to happen. I stand before you tonight as a proud son of my nation, a nation that did not flinch, a nation that did not freeze, a nation that stayed focused on progress, even as it defended itself from attack. And I am proud to be here this evening in Washington. Because even in a time of conflict, the UAE does not retreat from the world. We step up. We step up. We show up. And we continue to build bridges. Iran wanted to export fear. Instead, they exported clarity. And it gave us the opportunity to show the world who we really are.
Pak News.